Project 1 by Ayush Chaudhary. So I have implemented smart home using some devices, like we can control light using our app, we can control temperature using our app. So I have implemented it using MQTT protocol. MQTT protocol was ideal for this because it's a lightweighted protocol. It's a lightweighted application layer protocol, moreover. And it's very reliable because MQTT protocol makes different topics for different devices, so it makes a reliable networks, and it is very secure, which is ideal for IoT devices. So most of the IoT devices, I would prefer MQTT protocol over HTTP any day. So it uses a client server kind of a model, not exactly client server. Like it has a moreover a publisher slash subscriber to broker model. So in that, broker stores data and publishes or subscribe data to the client. Now every node, whether it's a device or it's an app, it's in client. If you receive the data, you are a subscriber. If you send the data to the broker, you're a publisher. So having different topics for different devices makes it a very reliable network. For example, your device which is giving you temperature of home can either be publisher when it's continuously giving you the temperature, and if you want it to lower, it can also be a subscriber taking data from broker. Same for the app. If it's taking data, it's an subscriber. If it's pushing the data, it is publisher. So here is my code. So this is my publisher code. So I have imported MQTT MQTT library. It's just for client. I have used MQTT dot client, then MQTT client connect to. This is an online broker I have used for showing multiple node connectivity, and then simple I have published under topic temperature message. Now on my other device, other node, I have also written down a code. I have used the same library for the making subscriber, and then I have connected to an online server, and I have subscribed to temperature and received a message. I have made on message which receives the message and decodes it. So I'll run it now. First I'll run it the publisher. Now I'll run the subscriber. So if I type Ayush here and press enter, see, Ayush received. So that's cool. Cool, received. So and then I have also made a broker that helps me work on different consoles on the same but on the same machine, but different consoles, and I have made my own broker. So I have used three libraries here: one library HBMQTT, and then I have make a log. Then I have made my own config, giving it IP localhost and port. Then I have just made a synchronous co-counter broker, and I have just run it until it completes. So that's the two library I've used, and that's all I have done.